Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss here the characteristics of embedded system. The characteristics of embedded system, sometimes it is called as a design matrix of embedded systems, and it is very important when here we are going to design the embedded system. There are different kind of the characteristics are measurable features, and we should know each and every characteristics of the embedded system. Now let's start the characteristics of embedded system. Unlike the general purpose computer system, the embedded system possesses certain specific characteristics, and these characteristics are unique to each embedded system. Some of the important characteristics of the embedded systems we are going to discuss here, just like to the applications and domain specific, reactive and real times, operates in harsh environments, distributed, small size and weight, and power consume. So power consumption. So here you can see here so various characteristics of embedded system. The first of all, the embedded system cost must be less. So this is the most important characteristics of any embedded systems. So according to the cost, we should design the embedded system. Next is task specific. You know that particular applications. So there is required specific embedded system. So according to your task and according to your application, we should use the embedded system. Time specific, it is very important. Again, characteristics of embedded system: minimal user interface. Minimal user interface means any embedded systems, any embedded system must be interfaced with the different external peripheral device, so that for that we require some port, and that port must be minimum, so that the cost of their systems and the size of size of that systems will be reduced. So high efficiency, definitely high efficiency is very important. Embedded system must be work as per our requirement, and efficiency must be high. So next is high reliability. Definitely reliability is very important characteristics of again embedded system. So now high stability, required less power supply and low cost. You know that n numbers of embedded systems are designed over here, and these are all the some of the embedded systems require the power supply. They are required the plus 5 volt or plus 12 volt regulated power supply of their operations, and they require sometimes the battery. The embedded systems are available in the without battery and with battery, so required less power. That means power consumption should be less. So these are the embedded systems characteristics we are going to discuss here. There are again different characteristics of embedded systems are there, but these are the some specific and most important characteristics. You can see here task specific, time specific, minimum user interface, high efficiency, high reliability, high stability, required less powers, and low cost. Thank you.